Hello friends, now we will learn special diet that will increase his weight. Take 100 grams of almond and soak them in water. Chew and eat them the next day and drink 1 liter of milk. Eating 100 grams or 200 grams of cashew nuts every day will make you fat soon. Eat 1 coconut every day. Coconut contains high amount of protein and fat and it makes your body swell. Eating walnuts also gives fats and proteins and increases body weight. Eating 6 bananas every day giving adequate amount of minerals and along with the body. Weight also increases and digestive system also improves. The cheapest and surefire way to gain weight is to eat potatoes and sweet potatoes every day. Eating paneer will also give you adequate amount of proteins, but eating cheese make the body grow very fast due to hormones present in it. For such a special information, like the video and subscribe to the channel.